Alright, so in this video we want to find which of the following graphs represents our coordinates the best. Now let's take a look at our first coordinate, -2 and -1, and try to find our first point on any one of the four graphs. So if we take a look at A, we're going to first take a look at our x-axis and see that we cannot find any -2 value, and therefore A is not the right answer because we are in a different quadrant than that we need. Alright, so now if we move on to B, which is over here, if we go to -2, we also want to find the value for y of -1, but here we are at a +1, and therefore B will not be our final answer. And C, if we go to -2, we cannot find this -2 value on our axis, and therefore C is not in the right quadrant that we need. Now if we move on to D, we go to -2, and we find our first point at -1. So our first point we found. Our second point is at -4 and -3. So if we go to -4 down 3, we have a point over here. So we have our second point. And our third point, -6 down -5, is our third and final point. And therefore D will be our final answer because it represents all of our coordinates the best.